Hi guys, so I want to talk about fashion websites or your own blog websites because recently I've been getting these questions from my fashion students. Like they ask me, Maris, do you know how to make a website? What should I use or something like that? So I think I will direct them to this post. Um, Okay, first of all, if you're just beginning and you don't know what you're doing, I think to get a good grasp of it, just get a free WordPress account. Why? Because once you learn the basics of how to make a page, how to design everything, when you do a self-hosted one, it will be easy. Like you know the principle and everything, because I've had both the paid WordPress and the free one, and especially recently it's almost the same. So most of the things, the only thing missing would be a little bit of tweaks to the website and the plugins, so you don't get that from the free account. But anyway, what do you really need? So basically it depends on what you're trying to sell or what you're trying to inform people about, because we have Instagram, we have all of this social media, but we cannot write everything in one page, or it's a post, one post after the other post. So I guess you can pin the post, but it's not exactly the same. So I'll just use myself as an example. So I teach fashion design online, Photoshop, Illustrator. So the first page for me, instead of posting my blog on it, you can tweak it on the free, even the free one. Mm, I tell them about my lessons and what I offer, like in a brief page, like easy to read. Don't make it so long because really nobody has the time to read everything. And add photos, so they have a better feel, like if they like your style or you both jibe. So I do that, and I write about my lessons, and then there's if they want more information about me, or like where did I come from, my education, my experience, I have the little page about me. And I also place, before I only place where to contact me on the about me page, but I like make it easier, make it easier for people to reach out to you in every page. So I put my contact details in every page, and in every page you can see the social media links. And then of course I also post blogs, because sometimes I want to talk about a certain topic that I don't want to necessarily discuss in one page or something like that. I have the reviews, because most people will want to have like, okay, what did other people say about me, about this teacher, so my reviews in SuperProf. What else? I plan to add my portfolio there, but I didn't have time because I want to make it really nice. And I have my free one in Coroflot. So I think for now that would be good, because to be honest, I haven't been drawing anything new or creating any new clothes, because I'm super busy with work, and I'm blessed that I have a lot of fashion design students recently. So thank you guys, and that keeps me busy. And I prepare for my students. I prepare for the lessons. Like each of my student, they have a different particular project or things in mind, and to demonstrate those, sometimes I had to prepare for those as well. So anyway, and then also what I wanted to add is that you don't need to do everything in one go. Like for me, I just set up the main page, like, okay, everything you need to ask, it will be here. I just basically copy and paste from my SuperProf in the beginning, and then week after week, like I assign myself 1 hour every Sunday. I will edit my website or something. Okay, this time I'm gonna add the menu. This time I'm gonna add the links, And one time I was in the metro or in the bus, I think. I look at my phone just to check my website. It's like Photoshop, and then the letter P is below. Like, I hate that. And I'm like, ah. But I'm like, no, no, no. Concentrate. Just do it every Sunday, because you can't do everything like on the get go. And that's one thing to give you stress. I don't know. It's just me. I just try to simplify. Okay, whatever I can do now, I will do. This is also the same. Like a lot of my students, sometimes they're so stressed. Oh, I don't have this. I don't have that. Just try to get to 50% of the work. Take a deep breath, close your laptop, your computer, come back to it with fresh eyes, and then edit as much as you want. Take the whole day or something. This is what I'm doing now. So sometimes when people compliment me, oh, your website looks great, da, 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 Oh my God, you have no idea. It took me weeks to get there. I mean, I'm not a professional web design or graphic designer that who does this for a living. I'm not the pros. It's simply like I just had experience. And also another tip that I want to share, if you go through Bluehost or Fat Cow, I used Fat Cow. They're super nice there. Shout out to them because I've had like 3 or 4 or 5 websites with them. Whenever I have no idea how to do stuff, I will just message their, there's like a mini chat section, or I would email them. They would immediately tell me the steps. They have all the pages on the steps. But if I really say, oh, like really, I can't do it, I don't know how to do it, I'm so sorry, I'm so useless or so dumb about this, they will do it for you, like for free. Like, okay, like don't abuse it. Like I only ask maybe once in 2 years, once every year for something. Yeah, like the basic setup. I don't even know the term for it. Like when I set up my new page, and then it has a conflict with the JavaScript or something, or with the codes, I know I did something wrong. I'm like, one time my page disappeared. I'm like, oh my God, I don't know what I did. Maybe they laugh at me, but yeah, they help me. It's done in like less than an hour. So I suggest Bluehost and Fat Cow because just because they're super nice, and they never made fun of me or anything like that. So anyway, if you're starting a website, I would suggest do a free WordPress account, do online portfolio, the free ones, Behance, Coraflot. Those are the things that I use. If you use any other websites, let me know. By the way, the free website for WordPress, I just want to add, there's a limit to 1 GB for the photos, so you can just so maybe use that, and then afterwards your next post you can use image hosting site, so host your photos, and you can just link on it and embed. It's quite easy. Just ask ChatGPT. Okay, I hope this helps. Au revoir.